So, hey everyone, I'm just talking about this book. This name is Ikigai, and it is a Japanese word which means the secret to live long and happily life. And I just love this book, and I want to share some reviews or experiences that you should also read this book. You will get, a different mindset to live your life freely, happily, even longingly. And yeah, I just love to share my I will summarize this in key points. So this book is all about what you love, what the world needs. It's your mission, and what the world needs and what you get paid for. It's your vocation and what you get paid for, and what you are good at. It's your profession and what you are good at and what you love. It's your passion, and these all circle, or we can say key points, are ikigai. So ikigai is all about to just changing your mind into the, a different mindset which moves you forward to your dreams, and you just realize the real value of life and how to live it freely, even without even taking it as a burden, like life, like this is a life. You will realize that life is very precious. Even we have so many styles, so many things to live this in a different ways without even getting boring of something. Like we are all stuck in only one thing. We all know, like we are following the rat race. So this book is all about just changing your mind and just realization of that there are so many things in this world, and this world is so big. From the people's small thoughts who thinks like कि without achieving anything you can become so better. Even I say that reading books is a good hobby, I mean very good hobby, and you will really realize that paper have more patience than people when you starting reading the book. And you will just realize the real value of books, even the knowledge, the experiences you get from that is just fabulous. And I just say, and I just love to say and read all those books, just must to. And guess what, in this generation every youth, even every people is so busy in social media, and some people are doing jobs and some are in private sectors, some are in government sectors. So they don't have so much time to, understand the real value of life. They are just stuck in a same race to be perfect by just doing nothing. And the fixed salary 50, 60,000, minimum 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and that's it. But by doing this all, I know they are also doing hard work. They are also applying efforts for a better future, a better life. But they are just ruining the, you know they can be so much better, but they need to just have more skills on that. Even most of the people's in coming in 60% of the average mindset people who thinks just get a job, marriage, children's, and that's it. But left 40% may say be 20% are those people who thinks to be in a different way, and they want to be not billionaire, they want to millionaire and even more than that. So these type of mindset people are so rare, and just realize that you also have a subconscious mind that can hear, that can understand everything. So the only thing is you don't have control on your mind. Your mind is not in your control. It's circulating you. You are not have a proper command on that. So I just say that first get the, and I say that be chill. For I know sometimes things are not in our hands, but at least we can have patience for the things that we are waiting for, like our dreams, our goal, and so many things. So just be patient for everything. And if, like, people say that destiny is already written, why you are tensed? But there is nothing like that. Your present is decide your future, not your future will decide your present. And you, if you will think like without applying any effort, without doing hard work, without doing smart work, you can achieve everything because it is already written in your destiny. So called myths, yeah, this is not real. That if you think that in your destiny you will get everything because it was already written, but ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। अगर आप अगर ये सोचते हो कि हमारी किस्मत में तो पहले ही ये सब लिखा हुआ है, but that was not true, that was a myth. So just don't trust on that. So just doing effort and be happy, be chill, fuck everything that ruin your mind, and just be focused on yourself, and that's it.